Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Wonderful Memories Handmade Gifts. Today I am going to show you a love story album where I have made a dolls and represented a cute love story. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's continue. Client shared detailed information about their story, how they met, where they met for the first time, some cute little moments of fun and love. And I tried my best to represent it in an album. I am lucky that I am able to express their love from my gifts. I also made some kind of stories previously, so you can see it in the end of the video. Actually, filming this video was little tough cause album needed to be handled with care due to the dolls. So I have made a possible way to shoot it front, side and from the top view. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to mention your comments in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your loved ones.